15 free and easy crochet patterns to get you ready for the spring. Plus, stay to the end where I will cover 4 bonus crochet tops that are a fashion statement. Let's talk about the patterns, the yarn used, and sizing guide. And at the end, I'll explore 4 additional crochet tops. While more advanced, are definitely a fashionable statement. Check out the description box below for links to all the patterns we're going to talk about today. Let's get right into it. The first one is the light and easy pullover. This crochet sweater pattern is made with fine weight yarn and has a skill level of easy. Pattern size options go from 1X to XS. They use a number 2 fine or sport weight yarn. The Swifty hat is the only hat we'll be talking about, and it is a pattern made with super bulky yarn with a skill level of easy. They use a number 6 super bulky yarn. The Key West circle top is a crochet sweater pattern made with medium weight yarn that has a skill level of easy. The pattern is one size, and it's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. The Granny Square crochet sweater pattern is made with medium weight yarn that has a skill level of easy. The yarn used is wool ease, and the pattern size comes from XS to 5X using a number 4 medium or worsted weight yarn. The Ella Tide crochet pattern is a crochet cardigan pattern made with medium weight yarn, and it has a skill level of easy. The pattern size comes from a small to a 2X. It's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. Next up is the ColourPop sugar scarf, the only scarf I'll talk about today, and it's made with bulky weight yarn, one size, and it's a number 5 chunky or bulky weight yarn. The Happy Stripes cardigan is a crochet cardigan pattern with a skill level of easy. The pattern size goes from XS to 5X, and it's written with the smallest size in mind. The weight used is a number 3 light or DK weight yarn. The Granny Square jacket is a crochet jacket pattern made with medium weight yarn with a skill level of easy. The yarn they use is 24/7 cotton, and it's a number 4 medium or worsted weight yarn. The Spring Raglan sweater is a crochet pattern made with medium weight yarn that is a skill level of easy. The pattern size comes from XS to 3X. Number 4 worsted weight yarn. The Friday Night Lights pullover is a crochet pattern made with super bulky yarn with a skill level of easy. The pattern size ranges from XS to 5X, number 6 or a super bulky yarn. The Super Maple poncho is a crochet poncho pattern made with medium weight yarn with a skill level of easy. The yarn used is the Basic Stitch anti-piling, and it's a one size fits all pattern using a number 4 worsted weight yarn. Cranford cardigan is a crochet pattern made with lightweight yarn with a skill level of easy. Pattern size ranges from 1X to small, 3 or light DK weight yarn. The Kingbird cardigan is a crochet cardigan pattern made with medium weight yarn with a skill level of easy. Wool ease, and the pattern ranges from a size small to 5X using a number 4 or medium worsted weight yarn. The Easy Mesh pullover is a crochet sweater pattern, skill level of easy using a medium weight yarn. The yarn is Pound of Love, and the pattern ranges from small to large, using a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. Finally, you have the Open Work cover-up. It's a crochet top using bulky weight yarn that has a skill level of easy. The yarn used is called Rewind, and the pattern is a one-size-fits-all, using a number 5 bulky or chunky yarn. Let's get into the 4 additional fashionable crochet tops that are not free. They each cost $5, but they're really cute. The first one is the Ebb and Flow Herbal Dyed Silk Shrug. And this silk shrug is a perfect garment for the evening. Easy to do as far as there's no shaping, and it's quite beautiful. It uses a DK weight hand-dyed recycled silk yarn. That crochet pattern is by Sammy Pulaskic. The Shelby Top crochet pattern is a summer-friendly half-sleeve top. It uses sport weight linen 2-ply yarn. It's for intermediate crocheters. This halter top bralette is a crochet pattern that has a comfortable summer-friendly bra look to it. Designed by Jan McGowan, basic or beginner level, and they use DK weight herbal dyed recycled silk yarn. Finally, the last is my favorite. It's a unique and stylish top. It's called the Astral Granny Square top, and it's a super quick and fun crochet project using silk roving worsted weight yarn, designed by Ashley L. I hope you enjoyed all of these different patterns that you can make to get ready for the spring or the summer. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if this video brought you value.